Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a financial information kiosk works step by step. A financial information kiosk is a self-service digital terminal that helps users quickly access banking, product, and account-related information without needing to wait for staff support. In simple words, it works like an interactive information point where customers can explore services, check financial details, and receive helpful guidance in a convenient way. First, the user approaches the kiosk and touches the screen to begin the session. The welcome screen appears and guides the user into the system so they can start using the kiosk easily. Next, the user chooses the type of information they want to access. For example, the kiosk may display options such as account information, loan details, deposit products, branch services, exchange rates, and frequently asked questions. This step helps the user quickly move to the exact topic they need. After that, the user may continue in guest mode or use secure login. Guest mode is useful for general information, while secure login is used when the customer wants personalized account-related details. Because of this, the kiosk can serve both casual users and bank customers who need more specific information. Then, if personalized services are required, the system performs identity verification. This may be done through a bank card, PIN entry, OTP on a mobile phone, or other account credentials. As a result, the kiosk ensures that private banking information is only shown to the authorized user. Once the identity is verified, the user can browse financial information on the screen. The kiosk may show account balances, recent transactions, loan products, interest rates, service charges, and special banking offers. In this way, the user can review important financial information in one place without needing direct teller assistance. Meanwhile, the kiosk also provides interactive guidance. For instance, the user can search topics, compare available options, calculate payments, or read on-screen instructions. This makes the kiosk more than just an information display, because it also helps users understand financial products and services more clearly. After reviewing the details, the user may print or send the information. The kiosk can print information sheets, mini-statements, or application forms, and in some cases it can also send details digitally by SMS or email. Therefore, the user can keep a record of the information for later use. Finally, when the user has finished viewing or collecting the needed information, the session ends and the kiosk returns to the home screen. This completes the process and prepares the machine for the next user. Overall, a financial information kiosk offers quick self-service, product and account information, secure access, and convenient support. So, it helps customers save time while making banking information easier to access, understand, and use. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.